While working in ZSP, you can create lists of products, services, and accessories which you can save, download, or share with your colleagues. First, navigate to a product listing page. From the product type category filter, select SKU. Select Add to List. Once on a product detail page, select Add to List. Continue to add products to list as required. In order to edit the current working list, select the list icon. Select Go to List, which will take you to the expanded version of the list where you can see additional product details. While in the current list, you'll have a few options. You can save the list, download it, and change quantity of items in My Lists. You will now go into detail about each of these stages. You can either add items to one of your existing lists, enter its name in the lookup bar, or you can create a new list, give it a name, and save it. To edit a saved list, select Saved List from the Quick Icons bar. Delete, download, or share directly from this view. To directly edit the full saved list, select Desired Last Name. While in the list, you can add product using the predictive search bar and amend product quantity. You can also delete, download, or share.